Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your AirPods Pro 3 keep disconnecting from your phone. Firstly, I recommend to perform the soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. After that, open the charging case and your headphones will reconnect to your phone. You can open the control panel and in the Bluetooth check is it connected. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that didn't want to reconnect automatically, so if you have this problem, just go to the Bluetooth and tap at your headphones at the device list. Next step is to perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. If you close it, just open the lid, and after that, on the front side, we have touch area under the LED light. You need to double press at the touch area 3 times, and you will see the red LED light, but sometimes this only the white LED light. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this time I have it, but previous time it was no red LED light, only white. It will open for you pop-up, and at the bottom you will find a connect button, but this time I have no pop-up, so let's move to the settings, then to the Bluetooth, and now we need to remove this earbud. So we need to tap on them, and then forget device. After that, we need to, and finally we have pop-up, so you can click connect here, or you can go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and then tap at your earbuds at the device list. Now, if the factory reset didn't help you also, we should perform, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But the problem that you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone and then on Android. On the iPhone, open settings, and we should go to the general settings. So scroll down, click at the general line, then scroll down again, and at the bottom you'll find transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at that line, then click reset. In this window, you need to select Reset Network Settings. There is no Reset Bluetooth Settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. That's why we click at this button. Now, write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open settings, then we should go to the system. Scroll down, tap at the system line, then scroll down again. At the bottom you'll find reset options. In this window, we need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!